Vic, who's this?
Oh, this is page 13, Fuentes.
Okay. Luis Fuentes.
Sir.
Mr. Fuentes, you're charged with racing on a highway.
6 months and $2,000 for street racing. This isn't a traffic ticket. It's a criminal case. The courtroom isn't impressed by adrenaline junkies.
You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Judge, I'm sorry, there's a co-defendant that's here also.
Oh, wonderful.
Page 39, Salazar, come on up. There's a third co-defendant also.
Really?
Yes. So Salazar's on 39.
Okay.
And page 48, Gavel,
Wait, what's the last name?
V like Victoria. Queen Victoria. Yeah.
You are Julio Salazar.
Right.
And you are Joe Alexis Varela. All of you guys are charged with racing on the highway. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, gentlemen. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you guys. Okay.
On July 2nd, 2024, at approximately 11:50 in the evening, officers observed a black Camaro line up with a blue Mazda and a silver Acura. All three of these vehicles were observed conducting a roll race in which the three vehicles slowed down to match speeds, lined up in lanes 2, 3, and 4 before accelerating at a high rate of speed in an effort to outpace each other in a competitive manner. Officers in unmarked cars were able to maintain visual on the vehicles until marked units could move in to conduct the traffic stops. Defendant Fuentes was the driver and sole occupant of the silver Acura. Defendant Salazar was the driver and sole occupant of the...
Here's the twist. No actual speed recorded. So what's the charge? Riding on? It all comes down to observed behavior. Legal? Yes. But solid? That's debatable.
Black Camaro. And Roma was the driver and sole occupant of the blue Mazda.
Do we know what kind of speeds they went at?
It doesn't say they were on the Passes Street.
That was recorded, Judge, but they weren't clocked.
Say that again?
They recorded, officers recorded on their cell phone, but they weren't clocked because they didn't have a step detector.
So we have three basically become stationary and then boom, go.
They lined up with each other at the same rolling speed, and then
Okay, and then take off?
Distance each other.
Got it. Okay, Mr. Fuentes, Mr. Salazar, and Mr. Varela, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward on all of your cases. Do you have a Texas driver license, Mr. Salazar? Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Fuentes, do you have a Texas?
It's a legal gut punch. In Texas, street racing can cost you more than fines. It can cost you your car. Think that's too extreme, or exactly what it takes to stop repeat offenders.
Texas driver license. Mr. Salazar, do you have a Texas driver license? Do you have a Texas driver license? Okay, I'm going to tell you now that the Texas legislature, as of last year, made it extremely easy for those who get busted with racing to take your cars away from you, seize it permanently, and take it as fruit of a crime, and you there forfeit that vehicle forever. So you are now on notice. If it continues to happen, at some point, you're going to get an officer that's really going to be gung-ho, and they will take and seize your car from you permanently. Mr. Fuentes, I'm now making it a condition of your bond for you not to participate in any racing, street takeovers, donuts, or any boneheadedness out. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If I find that you do this, I will take your privilege to drive away from you permanently, and you will be barred from driving. Same thing goes for you, Mr. Salazar. You are not to participate in any racing, street takeover, donuts, anything of this nature. Reckless driving you do, I will take your privilege to drive away from you permanently. Mr. Varela, This is your second case. I am now taking away your privilege to drive away from you. You will now sign with me today an affidavit promising me that you're not going to drive. I don't care where you're going. I don't care what you're doing. I don't care what baby has to go to the hospital. You drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get in a car and drive. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
My only concern is public safety and every single person in Harris County. And when you do something like this, you put many, many lives in danger. You violate this, I'm going to violate you. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
For now, we are going to reset your cases to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you go to Victoria. We will have you sign a reset. After that, I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. We will have you sign it, and then you will be on your way. You are going to come up here and swear to me that you're not going to drive. Mr. Varela, take note. I don't care what's going on in your life. I don't care what excuse you have. You cannot justify driving for any reason. And like I said, you do. You will be facing a stiff 6 months in jail. Every time you get into a car, it's an offense in and of itself, punishable. And I'm well within my right to stack it if you do. If you drove here, you may not drive home. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, come up here, swear to this. Gentlemen, if you'd like to go to Victoria, we'll have you sign a